Welcome! If you're looking to protect your privacy and prevent the X app from accessing your location, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, updated process to turn off location access for the X app on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can control all the permissions for your installed apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or App Management. The name might vary slightly depending on your device, but the function is the same. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and find the X app. Once you spot it, tap on it to open its settings page. Here, you'll find various options that control what the app can do on your device. Look for the Permissions option and tap it. Permissions are the specific things an app is allowed to access, like your camera, contacts, and, of course, your location. Find the location permission in the list. This is the setting that determines whether the X app can use your device's location information. Now tap on Location. You'll see several options, such as Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. To completely prevent the X app from accessing your location, select Don't allow. This ensures the app won't be able to track or use your location data, even when you're actively using it. That's it. You've successfully stopped the X app from accessing your location. Taking a moment to review and adjust your app permissions is a great way to maintain control over your privacy and keep your personal information secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check your other apps and repeat these steps wherever you want to limit location access. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.